Welcome to the Restore Prehab Safety Session. Beverly and Brooke, physical and occupational therapists at Hill Country Memorial, will be teaching you how to navigate safely after your knee or hip replacement surgery. Today you will learn how to use your rolling walker when you are sitting and standing, gait sequence, bathroom, shower, and bedside commode, sink, tub transfer bench, and going up and down stairs. Our goal at Destination Restore is to help you return to living your life without pain.
Hi, my name is Beverly Van Geffen. I'm a physical therapist here at Hill Country Memorial Hospital. So, you'll use the rolling walker after your hip or knee surgery, and you'll want to back up to where you're going to sit with your hands on the walker. Right before you sit, you're going to reach back as long as you can feel the bed on the back of your legs. Reach back with your hands for the bed and sit down slowly. If you had a knee or hip on your right side, you'd want to kick that leg out a little bit just to prevent too much flexion, because that would be just more painful for you initially. When you're getting back up from the bed, you're going to push with your hands here on the bed, not on the walker, because the walker can move on you. You're going to push up here on the bed, keeping that leg out in front, and then grabbing the walker once you're up. So, this is Beverly again. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the type of walker you want to have when you go home. You're going to want to have a rolling walker, one with, we prefer the 5-inch wheels on the front. It's just easier to go over carpet if you have carpet, and also grass if you're going to be walking outside. This particular walker has stoppers on the back, which just make a little bit of a noise on this type of floor. So it's easier if you have access to tennis balls. You can cut an X on the tennis balls and put them here over those stoppers just to give you better friction control over surfaces. If you don't have that, you can buy those tennis balls or gliders, little plastic gliders, at Walmart, Walgreens, any pharmacy like that. They're selling the tennis balls now that are already cut, and you can just put those on the back just to ease your walking ability. And when you walk with the walker, you're going to bring that walker forward, and if you had surgery on your right leg, you're going to take a step with the right leg first and then the left. This is just initially when you're first starting to walk. So walker, right, left each time. And that's it.
Hi, I'm Brooke. I'm an occupational therapist with Hill Country Memorial, and I usually work with our Restore patients while you're here in the hospital. So I'm here to talk about the bathroom setup, because it's very important that you have the equipment so you can safely access your toilet and your shower, and we're going to talk about using your walker safely also. So we're going to come in here. This is our bathroom setup. So I'm practicing walking the way Beverly showed you. I'm taking a little step as I go in. So this, if you can see, is what we call a bedside commode. It's removable. You can take the bucket out. And the advantage of using one of these is that you can place it over the top of your toilet so that you can have some arms to push up and down from the commode. If you have a low toilet or you don't have anything around your toilet to help you to get up and down. So the way it works is I would back up to the commode. When you back up, you want to back up on that strong leg. So if your surgery leg is still your right leg, your left leg wants to go back first, just like she was talking about the bed transfer. You extend your right leg forward and you reach down and you lower yourself onto the commode, like so. And then you would push yourself back up. Again, you don't want to pull on the walker like Beverly mentioned, you want to push and then reach for the walker. Okay, now we're going to show you how to access the shower. Now, if this, I don't know if you can get in here, this is a shower stall. If you have a shower stall like this, and you've gotten the bedside commode, what you can simply do is have your coach move the bedside commode over into the shower and use it as a shower chair. So, what we do to teach people how to access the shower, if you have a step to manage like this one, we actually teach people to back into the shower. So I would back up on my strong left leg, followed by my right leg. So I've got the walker in front of me, step over on my left. It is then weight bearing for me, and I bring in my surgical leg nice and slowly. The chair's right behind me, and then I slowly sit down. So you can face the shower chair in any direction that you would like as far as being comfortable to access your shower head. When you come out of the shower, the walker will be there. You'll stand up, reach for the walker, and you want to go down with the bed. So leading with the surgical leg, just like you walk forward. And then my arms are going to help me, and I'm going to step out on my left leg. And that's how you access the walk-in shower. Hi, it's Brooke again. We're going to show you how to use the walker safely as you approach the sink. It's important that when we are walking, that we keep the walker close to us. And sometimes what I call it is people want to park your walker. So they want to put it over here and then try and step all the way over here. Well, that's not really the safest way to approach this. Your walker can go with you. So you can actually step all the way up to the sink to access the sink and brush your teeth, hair, do all your grooming while standing here and holding onto the sturdy surface. This then allows you to step back with the walker when you're ready to turn and go out to your next destination. So we want to see that you're safely using the walker while you're managing all your daily activities. Hi, Brooke again. We are going to show you another device. It's called a tub transfer bench. So if you have a tub shower combination at home, we definitely want to recommend this type of equipment. As you can see, it's a little bit longer than a regular shower chair. The concept is when you have your walker, you turn and you sit down on the edge of the bench. Your tub is right here, and you would scoot yourself back and swing the legs over the side of the tub and be here safely so that you could safely access your tub shower. If you want to add a handheld shower head to your shower, you could do that if you want to do that to make it easier while you are sitting and bathing. Opposite way, scoot your bottom towards the edge and then lift your legs to the outside and face yourself towards the outside and stand up to your walker.
Hi, Beverly again, the physical therapist. I was going to also go over how to go up and down steps using your walker. When you get home, you'll walk up to the steps. You'll need your coach to take the walker from you. So you can use, hopefully you have railing to hold on to. And you'll want to go up with your good leg, meaning your non-surgical leg. So if you had surgery on your right leg, you're going to lead with your left leg. each step. So you're going to use your arms to kind of take the weight, and your left leg is pulling you up the step. That's your non-surgical leg, your good leg. And then your right leg is just following along, coming up behind it. Going down is opposite. You're going to go down with your surgical leg first, so the bad leg, down each time with your surgical leg. Your good leg, your left leg, is doing the work. It's lowering you down the step. And then you'll have to have your coach or someone bring the walker for you in front of you to help you then continue on to your destination.